I'm Russ Garfin, Product Manager for Winnebago Industries, responsible for our compact Class Cs and also all of our Class B motorhomes. Today I'm excited to introduce you to our new Porto and Vita models, which are built on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis. This is the first time that we are making available a Class C motorhome on the Sprinter chassis in this affordable price point. These vehicles are really made for people that are going to be traveling a lot. The freedom of a smaller size coach is really why people are interested in these compact coaches. Certainly we wanted to have that in spades with our new Porto and Vita. We've done a lot to make this a different vehicle. We have a new manifold-based LP system and a manifold-based water system that allow us to have fewer connections in the coach. Another area that we've really improved our construction is with the SuperShell, which is basically the sleeper deck. We're now using a two-part mold that's filled with expandable foam, so it's much like you might find a high-end cooler. Also standard with 200 watts of solar on the roof, expandable to 475 watts if a customer wants to add additional panels. We have a large, durable compressor refrigerator. It's 7.3 cubic foot. It's the largest refrigerator we've ever put in a Sprinter Class C motorhome. Wi-Fi extenders and cellular boosters are very popular right now. There's a storage compartment there that has 110 volt and 12 volt power available. And then there's a conduit to the roof. And on the roof there's a box that a customer can run the wires through and have whatever boosting system they want. For customers looking for a more affordable product on the Sprinter chassis, now they can come and get the Winnebago Porto and Vita and get all of the Winnebago quality and durability that they're looking for. They can also find a motorhome that's going to be very comfortable and very easy to use, and it's going to be very durable for them.